clarity on top and enough bass at the bottom. I would say pretty maybe controlled bass overall, but the top end definitely has that bite. I would say though this is in the slightly more fun side of sound. So this is not your very cold, maybe mixing mastering type of pair. This is more in the fun side, and definitely a little bit more in the aggressive side of presentation. Has some fun. A very live monitor type of sound. Maybe it reminds me of a TFZ. Maybe even some KZ type of vibe here. CCA type of vibe because of that hybrid configuration. But I would say compared to the KZs and compared to the CCAs, this is a bit more toned down. Definitely more toned down top end. Let's try some bassy track. Maybe some That's What I Like for Bruno Mars. Even for here, the bass definitely is enough, but it's not overpowering.